In this video, I will show you how to download Google Antigravity. So firstly, you need to search for it in your search bar in Google. And you want to open this antigravity.google first link. And then you need to click on download for Windows. And next you need to choose your operating system for which you want to download it. So I have Windows, so I'm going to choose download for this 64 bits. So I'm going to click on download and it will start downloading your antigravity.exe file. After your file is downloaded, you can open it and then you just need to accept to this agreement. Then click next, 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 and you can add here this check mark to this create a desktop icon. So if you want to have antigravity on desktop, you can check this, then click next and install it. After installation, you can click on finish and it will launch Antigravity. And now from here you want to allow access to it. So we'll click on allow. Then you want to click on next. And here you can import your settings from cursor or if from VS Code, or you can start afresh. So I'm going to start afresh, then click next. You can choose your theme type. So let's say you can choose from those. I will choose this light one. And then how do you want to use anti-gravity agent? You can choose this review driven development. It's recommended. Or you can also make custom kind of configuration here. Then click next. And from here you can configure your key bindings. So you can choose normal or Vim. And then extensions, make this recommended. Then click next. And then this is the important, you need to sign in with your Google account. So I'm going to quickly sign in and then you will see you have successfully authenticated. You just need to click on next again. And this is how you can download and install Antigravity. Now you can start using it. So if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.